welcome to Vlogmas day number 6. Today I'm out with Jamil. He's off today and we're running a few errands. I'm here at the plaza where they have a Daiso and they have an H Mart, which is my favorite Asian supermarket. I really like going there to shop for ingredients to make like Korean recipes and things like that, and a lot of snacks. I'm going to Daiso to look for these Christmas tin boxes because I'm going to be gifting homemade cookies to my friends and family, and I'm excited. I haven't been to Daiso in a while and I really like their cute Christmas decor and like even like the plates and stuff, huh? They have like, they have really cute stuff there, so we're gonna go check it out. We just got back from the cafe and we're parked here. We should probably get out because it's really hot. It's getting really hot and I'm wearing this turtleneck and yeah, the sun's right on my face. So, good news and bad news. I wasn't able to find the tin boxes. That's the bad news. But on the upside, I was able to find these cute Christmas bags that I can put cookies in and like a bunch of like little pastry items. I'm gonna make cookies, but if I want to make like cupcakes or something like that, I could probably use these bags for that too. Yeah, so right now, oh god, look, I'm shaking the camera. Right now we're going to Target. We're gonna do a curbside pickup order for a few food ingredients that we need, and I can't wait to go home, you guys. I'm so hungry. We picked up some Korean food from H Mart. I'm sorry I didn't get to record inside H Mart. It was so busy. Today's Saturday. I don't know what I was thinking when I decided to run errands. Well, they're kind of like errands, right?
Yeah, they're errands.
Yeah, run errands on a Saturday.
It's the weekend.
It's Christmas time.
Stuff. Yeah.
It's Christmas time. Things are getting slightly better, so more people are going out and, you know, shopping and eating, which is nice, but it just gets a little crowded. So right now we're gonna pick up our order and head home. So hungry. We got tteokbokki. We also have some kimchi fried rice with spam and egg omelet, and we also have a kimbap here with some dipping sauce. It's really good. So really quick, I want to show you what I picked up from Daiso. If you guys are not aware, Daiso is a Japanese discount store. Everything is priced at $1.50 unless otherwise noted. Normally prices range from $1.50 to sometimes $3. It can go in upwards of $6. Depending on what you get, it might be priced a little higher. For example, this board that I bought is $4. Purchased a wooden board to use for baking, not to put in the oven. It's so I can flatten my cookies or use a rolling pin on it. I picked up a small rolling pin. This one is really nice because it's not too big, and this is perfect for making sugar cookies, which I plan on doing. And yeah, I'm gonna use these together. It's a cutting board, but I'm not gonna use it as a cutting board. I'm just gonna use it to flatten out my cookies. I also picked up these really cute bags so I can put my cookies inside and gift them. This is what they look like. This one's really cute. It's red with snowflake design, and it also has the little twisty sticks here. I think that's what you call them, little twisty sticks. I picked up these as well. These are $1.50. And it also came with the little, what do you call these? Little twist sticks? And it also has name tags here. That's really cute. I also ended up buying a few kitchen items that I did not plan on buying. I just went into the kitchen aisle and I found these really cool containers which you can store your dry foods in, like rice, flour, cereal, or oatmeal. So I bought 3 of these to store my brown rice, oatmeal, and my white rice. And what's really cool about these is that the lid is a measuring cup. I got another plastic container because I plan on making pickled onions, so I can have that stored in my fridge and just grab pickled onions whenever I feel like it, sandwich, salad, or just things like that. So I'm gonna start making pickled onions and storing it in this container. And I also bought a spoon rest. Oh no, it's not a rest, it's a ladle and chopstick stand. So this is what it looks like. It's really cool because it's gonna save a lot of space in my counter, and it also came in white. I got the black one to match the rest of my kitchen. Picked up Christmas cookie cutters. Got a pack of 2 with a reindeer and a little Santa shape here. And I picked up 2 more right here. They're like ornament shape. It's really cool because you can put like a different color filling inside the ornament, which is really nice. I picked up some S hooks for my kitchen to hang my dish towels. Also picked up a piping set right here. Comes with the tips, and it also includes the bags. I believe it's 16 bags, just in case you have different color icing, so you can have several bags to put the icing in. I'm really excited to decorate the Christmas cookies. I've never decorated cookies before, so hopefully these work out. Okay, I also got these leather tabs here. These are really nice because you can use them to organize your cords. While we were there, we also picked up a few snacks. I got 2 types of tea. I got a peach tea and a hochija cha tea. I believe you can drink this with hot or ice. Yeah, hot or ice. I'm excited to try the peach one. We noticed this bag of Calbee takoyaki balls. I have a feeling these are like poofy, like not like the Cheeto Puffs kind of texture. So that's really cool, and the flavor is takoyaki. We also got the crispy seaweed. If you guys have tried these, let me know. These are so good. Eat these in moderation. They're so high in calories, but every once in a while I do like to indulge in a few pieces. Another new item that we saw were these chips. They are tteokbokki flavored, tteokbokki and cheese flavored. So if you've had tteokbokki before with cheese, you know how amazing it is. So I can only imagine what these might taste like. I hope they live up to my expectations because I am obsessed with cheese and tteokbokki. That's all we got from Daiso. Yeah, I think I got everything that I needed for the most part. I got bags for the cookies, and that's really all that mattered. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this video here, guys, and I want to give you guys a huge thanks if you clicked on this video and you've been watching my vlogs and videos. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with my videos. And thanks again for watching. Bye.